Still using traditional switches in your home? What if you could control your lights, fans, and appliances with just a touch, your smartphone, or even your voice? Introducing the AZIOT Elevate Smart Touch Panel, a premium smart switch solution designed to transform ordinary homes into intelligent living spaces. On the left side of the panel, you will find the socket terminals marked as L, G, and N. Connect the live wire to the L terminal. Connect the ground or earth wire to the G terminal. Connect the neutral wire to the N terminal. Now let's move to the right side terminal connections. Connect the common neutral wire to the N terminal. Connect the raw power phase supply to the L terminal. Connect the inverter phase supply to terminal 1. Connect terminal 2 to light 1. Connect terminal 3 to light 2. Connect terminal 4 to light 3. Next, connect the raw power phase supply to terminal 5. Connect terminal 6 to light 4. Connect terminal 7 to light 5. Connect terminal 8 to light 6. Finally, connect terminal 9 to fan 1. Please ensure that all light and fan neutral wires are connected to the common N or neutral terminal. Once all the wiring is complete, verify that every terminal screw is tightened securely before powering on the panel. Before starting the installation, ensure that the main power supply is switched off from the MCB. Now let's begin the wiring connections for the AZIOT Elevate Smart Touch Panel. First, connect the main live supply to the L terminal. This powers the Smart Touch Panel. Next, connect another live wire to terminal 6. If you're using an inverter, this terminal can be connected to the inverter phase input to power the designated backup loads. Now connect the live wire to terminal 1. This terminal acts as the power input for the first group of outputs. To provide power to the built-in socket, create a jumper connection from the L terminal on the right side to the L terminal of the socket on the left side. Next, connect the common neutral wire to the N terminal on the right side of the panel. Then connect another neutral wire to the N terminal on the left side for the built-in socket. In this demonstration, only one load is being connected. Connect the output wire to terminal 2, which will control the connected load through the touch panel. After completing all wiring connections, double-check that every terminal screw is tightened securely and that all connections are properly insulated. Carefully arrange the wires inside the gang box to avoid any pressure on the terminals. Position the AZIOT Elevate panel into the wall box and secure it firmly using the mounting screws. Finally, align the toughened glass panel with the frame and gently press on all 4 corners until it clicks securely into place. Now switch on the power supply. The panel will perform an automatic calibration process. During this time, avoid touching the touch surface for approximately 10 seconds. To pair the device with the Smart Life application, press and hold any one touch button for 10 seconds. All indicators will turn blue once and then begin blinking white. Release the button, immediately press and hold the same button again for another 10 seconds. The indicators will blink blue 3 times and then continue blinking. This confirms that the panel has entered pairing mode and is ready for configuration. Open the Smart Life application, tap the plus icon and select Auto Scan. The AZIOT Elevate panel will be detected automatically. Select the device and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Once setup is complete, tap Done. You can now control all connected loads directly from the Smart Life application. Now let's explore the advanced settings available in the AZIOT Elevate Smart Touch panel. Tap the settings icon to open the device configuration menu. The Elevate series allows you to fully customize the panel according to your preferences. Under indicator settings, you can customize the backlight colors for both on and off states. For the on state, you can choose between red, blue, or white. For the off state, you can also select red, blue, or white. This allows the panel to match your interior design and personal preference. Next, let's look at brightness control. You can manually adjust the indicator brightness from 0 to 100%. Increase the brightness for better visibility during the day, or reduce it for a softer appearance at night. The Elevate panel also features ALS, or Ambient Light Sensor. When ALS is enabled, the panel automatically adjusts indicator brightness based on the surrounding light conditions. The indicators become dimmer in dark environments and brighter during the daytime, providing a comfortable viewing experience. Next is button mode selection. Bistable mode is the default operating mode and is recommended for lights and fans. In this mode, a single touch turns the load on and another touch turns it off. Monostable mode is recommended for doorbells, scene switches, and momentary control applications. In this mode, the output remains active only while the button is being pressed. Under power on status, you can define how the panel behaves after a power interruption. Select on if you want the load to turn on automatically after power is restored. Select off if you want all loads to remain off after power restoration. Select restart memory to restore the previous state before the power outage. Next is the child lock feature. Enable child lock to temporarily disable touch operation on the panel, preventing accidental or unauthorized use by children. When child lock is enabled,
Integration
the touch
with
buttons
Alexa.
on the panel will
Open
no
the
longer
Alexa
respond
app.
to manual touches.
Bottom right, tap
However,
More.
you can still
Tap on
control
Skills
all
and
connected
Games.
loads through the Smart
Search
Life
for
app
Smart Life
or
app.
using supported
Select
voice
app.
assistants such as
Click
Amazon
Enable
Alexa
to use.
and Google Home.
Click Agree and
to
link.
restore manual touch control,
Wait for
simply
Smart Life to
disable child
confirm
lock
linking.
from the Smart Life
Click
app.
Next. Tap Close and let Alexa find your device. When a device to add is found, click Next. Select the common group you would like to add the device. Click Add to Group. Once the device is added to group, click Continue and Done. You can view all linked devices on Alexa showing their current state, that is on or off. Let's try controlling them with voice commands. Alexa, switch off fan.